Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to diversify crypto portfolio using your CoinRabbit. CoinRabbit is a crypto platform where you can deposit crypto and earn invest APY, borrow stable coins crypto using assets as collateral and swap assets directly inside the platform as well. And this means you do not have to sell your long-term holdings to diversify. Open any of the browser. In the top there's an address bar, type around coinrabbit.io and enter it. Over here go to this My Wallet in the top right corner as well. Under this what you can do is you can also set a safe LTV 30 to 50%. In the left hand side you need to go to this loans over here and make sure under this loans on the bottom there's an LTV as well. Make sure it's on the lower side, which is the 50%. If there's a more lower side you can simply apply it as well and borrow the stable coins like USDT or USDC over here. You can simply select to this collateral here. You can search a crypto and you can select any of this stable coins like USDT or USDC and select it over here as well, and you can now have the liquidity without selling a core crypto as well. And you can also go to this exchange over here. You can convert the part of your borrowed stable coins here. You can find your transaction history as well and simply maintain and monitor in the dashboard here as well. You can watch your LTV, keep conservative to avoid liquidation, keep balance monthly, adjust based on the performance, and keep stable coins reserved for the emergencies. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.